ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Car Update. Today, we're diving into a piece of automotive historia, one that represents the golden era of American cars. It's none other than the iconic 1957 Chevrolet. The 57 Chevy isn't just a car, it's a symbol of 1950s America, a time when everything seemed bigger, brighter, and more exciting. It was a car for the dreamers, the families, and anyone who wanted a bit of flash and flair in their daily drive. From its unmistakable tail fins to the chrome details, this car has left a lasting impression on both car lovers and the world of pop culture. Let's talk about what made the 1957 Chevy stand out, starting with its design. The first thing you notice about the A57 Chevy is those iconic tail fins, which are often the most talked about feature. They were bold and represented the space-age optimism of the time, giving the car an almost rocket-like appearance. The wide, aggressive front grille and the large, sweeping chrome bumpers added to the look, making the car instantly recognizable even from a distance. But it wasn't just about looks. The 57 Chevy was also about innovation. Chevrolet offered the car with a variety of engines, including the powerful 283 cubic inch V8. This engine was a game changer because it was one of the first engines to feature fuel injection, which helped it produce up to 283 horsepower, a huge deal back in the day. This meant the car wasn't just pretty, it could also perform. Whether you wanted a cruiser for Sunday drives or a speedster for the local drag strip, the 1957 Chevy could be tailored to fit your needs. Inside the car, the design carried through with style and comfort in mind. The dashboard had that classic A50s look, with simple, elegant gauges and lots of chrome accents. The two-tone color schemes were a popular option, giving the interior a cheerful and inviting feel. And let's not forget the bench seats, which were wide and perfect for cruising down the boulevards with friends or family. This was a car designed to make you feel good, inside and out. Now, the 1957 Chevy wasn't just about being a pretty face or a powerhouse under the hood, it was also incredibly popular. Chevy produced over 1.5 million of these cars, and they came in several body styles. You could get the Bel Air, which was the top-of-the-line model, the 210 for a more mid-range option, or the 150 for those who wanted the Chevy experience at a lower price point. There were two-door and four-door sedans, convertibles, and even station wagons, so there was something for everyone. The 57 Chevy was also part of a growing trend at the time. Cars weren't just functional machines anymore, they were becoming an expression of personality and status. Owning a Chevrolet meant you were part of a new, exciting lifestyle, one that celebrated freedom, fun, and the open road. Even today, the 1957 Chevy is a favorite among car enthusiasts. You'll find it at classic car shows, and many people still restore and customize these beauties. Whether it's the sleek lines, the nostalgic charm, or the sense of American pride it carries, this car continues to inspire admiration over 60 years later. In conclusion, the 1957 Chevrolet was more than just a car, it was an experience, a reflection of the optimism and style of the 1950s. It combined cutting-edge technology, unforgettable design, and broad appeal, making it one of the most iconic cars in American automotive history. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this dive into the past, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Car Update and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more exciting car content. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had a chance to ride in or see one of these classic beauties in person. See you next time.